Amaphoyisa aseSophiatown aphenya amacala amathathu okubulala namabili okuzama ukubulala kulandela ke isigameko sokudubula esenzeke eNewclear ngomgqibelo. Amaphoyisa athi ke izisulu ezintathu ezineminyaka ephakathi kwe-18 kuya ke kuma-20 zitholakale ke ziphangalele phakathi efletini Limbe ngemuva yokuthi amaphoyisa elonywe indlebe umphakathi uwabizele endaweni yesigameko. Ezinye ke izisulu ezimbili ezineminyaka eyi-18 noneminyaka engama-23 ziphuthunyiswe esibhedlela zinamanxeba okudutshulwa kanti ke njengamanje akukaboshwa umuntu ngalesi sigameko.
Sophiatown police have opened 3 counts of murder and 2 counts of attempted murder following a shooting incident in Newclear on Saturday, 15 August 2026. It is alleged that at approximately 21:34, police received a complaint of a shooting in Newclear. Upon arrival at the scene, community members pointed out a flat where they alleged that several people had been shot. Police entered the premises and found 3 victims aged between 18 and 20 lying inside the flat. The victims were declared deceased at the scene by paramedics. Further investigation revealed that 2 other victims aged 18 and 23 had also sustained gunshot wounds and transported to hospital for further treatment. The suspects are unknown at this stage, and the circumstances surrounding the shooting are still under investigation. No arrest has been made. Police investigations are underway. Anyone with information that may assist with the investigation may contact Crime Stop line on 08600 10111 or submit information anonymously via the My SAPS app.